Hey there, it's Amber, the Growth Marketing Manager here at Uncommon Marketing Works. Today, we're gonna get you familiar with 3 letters, ABM, or account-based marketing. Regardless of how long you've been in the industry, you'll start to realize whether you're in sales or marketing, more people are involved in the decision-making process. And that's where account-based marketing comes in. Step number 1, analyze your ideal customer and create buyer personas if you don't have them already. When analyzing your ideal customer, you're looking for the accounts that have the longest retention or do the largest amount of business with you. Pretty simple. The more trends you find, the more effective your account-based marketing strategy will be. Once you've armed yourself with your ideal customer's characteristics, you'll then want to start identifying potential customers that mimic your ideal customers. The prospective company would be called your target account, while the employees that you're targeting inside that company would be targeted contacts. However, you're not looking at just any contacts. You're looking at those decision makers, those stakeholders who have influential power within the company to make a decision after you've had a conversation with them. For the last step in placing the foundation for your ABM strategy, you're gonna wanna start to engage your entire team, sales and marketing coming together. In many organizations, sales and marketing teams don't come together and communicate on prospects and leads as much as they should. Account-based marketing requires both groups to work closely together. This ensures the proper campaigns and strategies are used throughout the entire ABM process. You'll want to make sure that your team has aligned its goals to each tactic used, whether that be an email campaign, cold calls, direct mail campaigns, retargeting, any other tactic. There are a variety of different ways to plan and implement your ABM strategy. Regardless, if your team follows these 3 simple steps to lay down the foundation of your account-based marketing strategy, you'll find that you may be able to produce results that other strategies aren't able to without wasting time and money. To learn more about how your company can utilize account-based marketing, or even if ABM is right for you, schedule your free strategy call with us today. We'll talk to you soon.